from the smart, eco-friendly road travel of the future. Greetings! The creative Skoda Motorhome 2026 idea blends classic Skoda functionality with a touch of uniqueness and modern style. The motorhome's sleek, aerodynamic, and minimalistic design combines Skoda's recognizable sharp lines with modern features like large windows to provide the appearance of more space and possibly even integrated solar panels on top. The 2026 Skoda Motorhome is powered by many innovative and effective engines beneath its elegant facade. Most likely, there will be an eco-friendly plug-in hybrid (PHEV) version that combines a powerful electric motor with a powerful, turbocharged gasoline engine. It will have an enormous all-electric range in addition to range-extended capabilities for longer excursions. For emission-free driving, an all-electric EV variant will also be offered. Thanks to the latest battery technology created by the Volkswagen Group, it will have a greater range and operate more smoothly and silently. The dashboard greets you as soon as you enter, elegant and ergonomic. A large floating touchscreen that provides easy access to the most recent infotainment system, state-of-the-art augmented reality navigation, and several other car functions will serve as the main control center. Important information will be shown in a modern, readable fashion on the fully configurable digital instrument panel behind the steering wheel. The dashboard's materials, which may include imaginative recycled materials, will highlight Skoda's commitment to sustainability by fusing soft touch with elegant accents. As soon as you approach the main interior area, you will be greeted by a spacious, multifunctional room. Despite the warm LED ambient lighting and gentle colors that provide a soothing atmosphere, the Skoda aesthetic and practical Scandinavian design will be evident. Sofas and armchairs made of premium fabric or vegan leather will be folded up or moved about to provide a dining space or even a second bed in the living room. Thanks to the amazing views offered by the big panoramic windows outdoors, you can engage with nature wherever you go. The sleeping area is designed to be as cozy and secluded as possible, even though it's an RV. A comfortable queen or double bed that pulls out or folds down to save space when not in use will function as the primary bed. There are also clever, hidden storage cabinets for clothing and personal items all around the bed. Dim lighting and thick drapes will provide a restful night's sleep after a day of exploring. The Skoda Motorhome 2026 bathroom will have a pleasing appearance because to its thoughtful design and practicality. A high-pressure integrated shower, a compact basin with hot and cold water taps, and a contemporary, user-friendly cassette toilet are all features of the space-efficient design. There will be mirrors, perfect lighting, and materials that are moisture-resistant and readily cleaned. The integrated kitchen will be the main attraction of your RV. Its ergonomic design includes a stainless steel sink, a large refrigerator and freezer, a microwave or convection oven, and a 2-burner induction cooktop for EV efficiency. There will be plenty of room for storing food and utensils in contemporary cabinets and drawers with a secure locking mechanism for travel. Worktops made of sturdy, easily cleaned materials allow you to prepare delicious meals in the middle of nature.